up yourself every time. I'm proud of creating some piece, Jamaica, Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment, and Sports. Big up.
Watch, you know, it's time not to play one play in the game I want to represent for Bad Big's Entertainment. For the girl, come on, BOBM, Tony on the way.
Yeah, I wanna hear you say yes, I wanna hear you say yes. Represented for none other than the Bad Mix, One TV and a Bad Mix TV. I want the DE.
Alright, so while it's rising, not falling, Babylon calling, but when I hear the calling. Listen, ready up, Sharpie? G sharp on guitar. Me not believe nothing they say. That's all we're gonna sing for the chorus. So let me hear you on it. Me not believe nothing they say. 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 Me not believe it. Me not believe it. G-sharp. Before the start of time, God seed them mind and the seed was sown in pain. Years later, water the seed and grow, and that's when Jesus came. Politician doing the wrong for so long, for Pilate got him fame. Keep Barabbas, the thief is more like them, but Jesus him get slain. 2,000 years pass and gone, nothing really changed. Ready again, G-sharp? Hey. Hey, listen. Before the start of time, God seed them mind and the seed was sown in Cain. Years later, water the seed and grow, and that's when Jesus came. Politician doing the wrong for so long, for Pilate got him fame. Keep Barabbas, the thief is more like them, but Jesus him get slain. 2,000 years pass and gone, nothing really changed. Lyrics the people more effectively, technology to them gain. Valuable by the umbrella when them promise them the rain. Because we eyes open and we them say insane, but what? We not believe nothing they say. Hey, we not believe nothing they say. I wanna hear you. We not believe nothing they say. Hey, we not believe it. We not believe it. We not believe nothing they say. We not believe nothing they say. We not believe nothing they say. Your time, me not believe it. Me not believe. Hey, see them standing on the podium, meaning nothing that them say. Puss, put coconut in at them, yeah, that mean them not have no shame. One out, another in, continue the routine. Babylon cabinet full of thieves, them can never touch the scene. Choose what? Bishop, pull it up and we're moving on to the next song. You see, just get ready? No, man, enough of we there tonight. We are keep it pushing. No, man, I know you like that song there. You must play that. Me see you post it on YouTube, buddy. Second verse. Me not believe nothing they say. Me not believe nothing they say. Me not believe nothing they say. Me not believe it. Me not believe it. Me not believe nothing they say. Me not believe nothing they say. Me not believe nothing they say. Nothing believe it. Nothing believe it. See them standing on the podium, meaning nothing that them say. Puss, no coconut in at them, yeah, that mean them not no shame. One out, another in, continue the routine. Babylon cabinet full of teeth, them can never touch the seal. Trick once, forget the history, loyalty by your deal. Not even fish get so easy, them living in a wheel. We not believe nothing that. We not believe nothing they say. We not believe nothing them say. We not believe it. We not believe it. We not believe nothing they say. We not believe nothing they say. We not believe nothing them say. BOBMARLEY Beach. We not believe it. Your time. Nice. We not believe it. We not believe it. We not believe it, and them word we not receive it. We not believe it, no, we not believe it. Django, we not believe it. We not believe it. Thank you. So my name is Mckada, Mckada.
You just want
Where's your still right here? Alright. You say that for you? I saw that deal in the thing. Alright. Shall I go get them Bill of vibes first? Right? And a bill will come for Bill of vibes now, so we have to do it together. Said my love won't shine. No way. My love won't shine. Saw you sitting alone and die. I couldn't help but like your style. Little tempo in me child. Hey. Saw you sitting alone and die. I couldn't help but like your style. Locks were shiny and pants were tight. A kingly man of my type. Can't approach you too outright to say, can I get a minute of your time? In my mind I see me by your side, and not tip on my front line. We not have to go to fancy places, no 5-star hotel for I. Take me to the creator's palaces, just show me the stars in the skies. Maybe we walk by the riverside, a midnight stroll, it's fine. I just wanna be with you, if you agree with I and I. We can build a vibe, don't love up Marley Beach tonight. We can build a vibe. Remember we are singing up. So we can build a vibe. We can build a vibe. We can build a vibe. No, but you will say, I feel like I'm floating when you're near me. Maybe it's a sign. I'm loving the way that you look at me. Your energy is right. We're getting high up conversations. Crush is watching close by. Penetration from intellect and stimulation. I got me a godly eye. And we not happy for the fancy places. No 5-star hotel for I. Take me to the creator's palaces. Show me the stars in the skies. Maybe we walk by the riverside. A midnight stroll is fine. As long as I'm me and you. If you have a natty by your front line, you can build a vibe. You can build a vibe. We can build a. Yeah man, you can deep in the rock in a seat, you know. Yeah man. We can build a vibe. We can build a vibe. We can build a vibe. Let's jump up. Yeah man, jump up, Carly. Jump up, Carly. I say you got jump up, give me my last time gonna go. Said we can build a vibe. Let me hear you. We can build a vibe. So one day I was walking through Alpha Tree, right? There was a time when I didn't wear tights or pants or anything like that. But me is the type of person where if everybody excuse me, so I climb up in a tree and them thing there, you know? So I've had to learn to wear other things. Anyways, long story short, I was in this poncho. Ladies, you know what I mean? Long to my ankle, and a man said to me, "Psst, your kitty fat." I can't tell up on the mic when I tell him because there is no way I could have sing that. Don't. Or if you sing that song there, or if you see it, it cover, it front big. So I tell him some dark things. Run the song. Oh, that's so like a rhythm, so. Are that a one? And remember, we're singing together. Everywhere I just on the road I just when my walk I just every day I just when I go gamble with my peace of mind to buy myself cause this peace is mine. And if you ever try cross the line you are gonna get a piece of my mind. Not true lady, you said hi and look once or twice out of respect I said good morning hi. Now you wanna get some of my time I carry on and you cussing all your life. It make me tell you this again. You can't stand me over my front. Or who you are called cunt. Mind you want to live up and run.
Chairman, oh yeah, most of stubborn. Yeah, the people want you to wheel up and do this song and you still are going. Come on, man. Come on. So everywhere does. Let us.
Thank you so much for the love. You know? Alright, ladies, I feel we sang this, you know. Don't. Unfortunately, all of our Rasta men are men, so none of them are a problem. So we need to sing this to amaze them out the road and they need to hear it. But run it. My name is Mckada, Mckada. It's been an absolute pleasure. I'm loving a bad body. Hey, me I done but this song done.
Thank you. Give it up. You see how she nice. Are you see how she sing nice? Oh gosh, I'm gonna make you sing twice. But you only part is there. You see me, sir? Give it up for Mckada. Yeah, she sounds sweet like a tweeter. Oh gosh, sweet like wash. Where's the coach? Alright now. So you know what I'm going to go on now.